ever looked at your cat, your friend, or even your own selfie and thought, I wish I could turn this into something epic? Well, now you can, without needing any third-party app. Introducing Image Playground, Apple's new AI feature in iOS 18.2 beta. Now it's time to let your creativity enhance and turn your images into hyper-realistic images. Hello guys, I'm Samira Siddiqui and you are watching Gadgets 360, and in today's video, I am diving into the Image Playground feature, and this is a fun new tool that lets you get creative with your images like never before. So I will be covering everything you need to know, how it works, how you can use it, and what makes it so cool. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So Image Playground is like your personal creative assistant that lets you create custom emojis, play around with your own photos, and yes, even create hilarious and amazing images without the need of third-party apps. But hold on, before you jump into the fun, here is what you need to know. Right now, this feature is available in the iOS 18.2 beta. However, I'm running the developer beta on my device. It's not public yet, but don't worry, it's going to officially release this December. So if you're using an iPhone 15 Pro or the iPhone 16 series lineup, you will get to use and experience the Image Playground feature. This feature works with iOS 18.2, iPad OS and Mac OS Sequoia 15.2. Now let's talk about how you can get your hands on this feature. First, update your iPhone to iOS 18.2. Once updated, you will notice a new app icon with a 3D style with cat, dog or bear. Tap on it and you will be greeted with a colorful and fun interface. At the bottom, you will see a text bar prompting you to describe an image. Type in whatever you like lion watching the sunset with cub or cat wearing a wedding dress. And Image Playground will generate images based on your description. Once your description is entered, you can fine-tune the results by adding more words or even picking from Apple suggestions. Once you have created your preferred image, tap on Done to save it to your library. Also, you can come back to edit or delete or share it later. And you know what's the best part? You will get a variety of image options to choose from. Swipe through to find the one that speaks to you. You can add themes, costumes, accessories, and more to level up your image. So keep tweaking your words or phrases until you got the image exactly the way you want it. But wait, there is more. Want to use your own photos or your friend's picture to make something hyper-realistic? That's totally possible. If you have got someone saved in your People album in the Photos app, you can use your faces as the base. Every generated image will reflect the specific angle and the appearance of the selected person, making it super personalized. Well, Image Playground is still in beta, so some results might be a little off. Apple has also put in some guardrails to keep things safe, which means no violence, no political images, and no drug-related stuff. So if you try to type in something that doesn't work like AK-47, blood, or any disturbing content, you will either see an error message or the app will just ignore certain words. So I can say that Apple has clearly put a lot of effort into making sure Image Playground doesn't create inappropriate images. They have also mentioned that they will keep improving it, but since it's still in beta, there might be some surprising results now and then. So I can say that Image Playground is a fantastic feature and it's perfect for anyone looking to get creative, make fun images, or communicate in a fun way. So what is the first thing you will create with this tool? Let me know in the comments below, and do like and subscribe to Gadgets 360. I will see you in the next one.